you have this 3D shape, so it's mensuration. It's the volumes and surface areas of 3D shapes. And you're told that we have the ice cream, it's in the shape of a sphere, and then we have the cone, which is in the shape of a cone. You're told that 1/5 of the volume of ice cream is inside the cone, but the rest of it is on the outside. So you're calculating the volume that is not on the inside. It's a strange way of wording it, but what that means is on the outside. Okay, so if you prefer to think of it without the double negative, then it is on the outside. Okay, and you're told that 1/5 is on the inside, so we're interested in 4/5 of that sphere or ball shape. So using the formula in the formula book, you know that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. You're told that the radius is 3.4, so that gives us 4/3 of pi times 3.4 squared, sorry, cubed. And you can just type that into your calculator and you get the answer of 164.636. And that's centimeters cubed. Now we are only interested in 4/5 of it, like we said earlier. So we're now going to take that answer and times that by 4/5 to find what's on the outside. And that gives us our final answer of 131.7088. And we need to write that to 3 significant figures. So that is approximately 132 centimeters cubed. Okay. So for this one, there is 1 for using the correct formula and substituting incorrectly. There is 1 for your full answer of the cone. And then there's 1 for your correctly rounded 3 significant figures final answer. And then the second part, you're told that the cone has a slant height of 11. So I'm just going to draw the cone here. Okay, so this is the cone part of the ice cream. So the slanted height is 11, and you're told that the radius is 3. We can see the radius is smaller than the radius of the ice cream, as the ice cream kind of goes out from the cone. So you're trying to work out how much is covered in chocolate, which is the surface area. And again, in your formula book, you're told that the surface area of a cone is equal to pi times r times L. We don't need to add on the circle, okay, because we already have the circle which has got the ice cream inside. We're only covering with chocolate the kind of curved surface area around the edge. So it's just pi times r times L. And therefore, if I substitute my information, I have pi times 3 times 11. So this is a super easy question. It's only 2 marks. They've given us everything that they need. So that 2 marks can give you an idea from that as well. And if I type that in, I find 103.67. Its area, so it's centimeters squared. And if I round that to 3 significant figures, it's 104 centimeters squared. So 2 marks. 1 is for using the formula and substituting incorrectly, which is this part here. And then the second is for the answer, which again should be rounded to 3 significant figures, and it should include a unit.